Now for the future value, B number continue of the previous, it is part 2. That video is too long, will being too long, so that's why I'm decided to make future value, no other intention guys. So we already find out that 1200.4 for the A number, and for B number find out the future equivalent value. Future equivalent value. So I will make the cash flow diagram here. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, what is the future value that you will gain after depositing this amount of money to every year, every end of year? Okay, so what will be the future value? Okay, this is what. Now we already found out P naught is equals to 1204.37 or 1231. What is the value? 1237. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now you have to find out by using simple compound interest, what is the value, future value of this 200, for 200, for 500, or n. For this, these are the equal value for each year, so we will calculate it by using annuity formula, uniform series compound interest formula. Okay, no problem. So first of all, do for f1 is equals to, for first year, you have to find out what I am writing this functional in the form of function for this simple compound interest for this first one, for one this problem only. For second and third problem I will not write it, I will directly calculate it. Okay, so I have given a present value and I have to find out the future value given present value comma 20% interest rate of for how many years? For 8 minus 1 it will give 7. Okay, now our present value is 100 into what will be the formula? The formula I will show you here is that I already in my previous lecture I already told you guys what is the formula for this, and I am using this formula. If you want the sum formula, you can go my first lecture, introduction lecture, in my playlist, that is engineering economy. So you can go there and find out and list it in your copy also, so that you can easily calculate your other calculations. So now I 0.2, I means 20%, 20% means 0.2 to the power 7. Okay, it will give the result of 100 into 1.2 to the power what 7. Okay, it will give me 358.31. The present 100 rupees value will worth of 358 under the interest rate of 20% and for the year of 7 year. This is the meaning of this. So for the F2 for 200 is given into 1 plus 0.2 to the power what is for second year 200 is deposited on the bank. Its future value will become after 8 years is 8 minus 2 is 6 years. 6 for here you have to apply 6. Okay, now for this 200 into 1.2 to the power 6, it will give me result of 597.1968 rupees. For F3 similarly, F3 500 into 1.02 to the power what 53 means in from 3 year 8 minus 3 it will give, it is the duration for 5 year. After 5 year you will give 500 into 1.2 to the power what 5. Okay, no problem. Okay, it will yield the result of 1244.16. okay, now it is here some there is an some uh, it is not same as that of the previous one. So we have to in this from 4th year to 8th year the annuities are same. So now we can calculate it by directly, without any without separately calculating. We will calculate it by annuities, because all the for the 4th to 8th year the amount of money that is deposited in the bank is 400. So we can apply this formula, that is this formula. We have given annuities and we have to find out the future value. So we will start it from here, and you have to 8 minus 3, it will give 5 year. So now we have to find out the future value. F4 is equals to F4 given annuities A, F4 given A for 20%, and 8 minus what is the 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 means 5. Okay, annuities is 400. And what is the formula? I already told you guys that you can for the I'm not going to again show you this formula. Okay, so you have to note and in your copy also. So now this formula is 400 1 plus 0.2 20% power 5, 8 minus 3 5 minus 1 by I means 0.2. Okay, no problem. Okay, it will give the result of 400. Now first of all you have to calculate this one. 400 into 1.2 to the power 5 minus 1 upon 0.2 into 400. It will give the result of, okay, I will write it, 1.2 to the power 5 minus 1 by 0.2 will give 7.4416 into 400. Okay, it will give me 29,7664 rupees. So now the future value of this for this deposited value is F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4. Okay, you have to now add it. F1 is 358.31 plus what 597.19998 2 plus 1244.16 plus 2976.64. Okay, add it, you will get the future value. Now 358.31 plus 597.2 plus 1244.16 plus 2976.64. okay, it will give the result of 5176.31. okay, no problem. This will is the future value. Now in previous value I already told you guys what is the present value which gives the same result as this value. So now we find out in previous value, in previous lecture, in part A we found out that 1204 is the present value which will give the same result. Let's check it. Okay, by using simple formula where present value is 12 point, just for I'm just for justifying you that you guys, that p naught is equals to 0 in A, in the A what is the present value? We find out the present value is 80 1204.37. okay, now you have n is 8 year from p naught to 8 year, from here to here. I'm going to present value in submit here and I will get some value in F8 in 8 year, after 8 year, and interest rate of 20. okay, now you have to find out the present future value 1210.F8.37 1 plus I 0.2 to the power 8. Now it will give the result of what 1204.37 into 1.2 to the power 8. It will give me the result of 5178.57. Now this gives 5176.31 and this gives 5178.52, which are approximately equal. So this present value will give the same result as given by this installment value. okay, this is the what I would like to I'm saying that this is the difference. Okay, now 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 see, there is another C question. What is the annuity that you have to pay? Annuity means equal amount of installment to the 8 years to get the future value of what? 5176. What we found out? 5176 point or 5178. You can write one of them, or 57, because in this we find out by b number what is the future value, so we will use it this one. 3131. What is the annuities that you have to pay in each year? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, so that you will get this amount of value after the end of 8 year. Okay, so after the end of 7 year and starting of 8 year. Okay, now we have given future value and we have to find out annuities. Future value 5176.31 rupees. Okay, I is 20%, n is equals to 8. So now annuities is equals to annuities, we have to find out annuities given f a given f I n, 20%, and n is equals to 8 here. Now its formula may be, I will write it, 5176.31 I by 0.2 to the 2 by, what is the formula? I am confused. So we have to find out the annuities given f. I by 1 plus I power n minus 1. Okay, no problem. I means 0.2 I upon 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, 5176.31.2 upon 1 plus 0.2 to the power 8 minus 1. So I will calculate this value. 0.2 to bhaga 1.2 to the power 8 minus 1. It will give me 5176.31 into 0.060. Okay, into 5176.31. Okay, it will give me 313.73 rupees. Now it means to obtain this future value, I have to pay the annuity annually installment. I have to pay some, I have to deposit the annual value of 313 to 8 year to get this value. Okay, now this is the formula. This is the example on deferred annuities. So hope you guys enjoy it and hope you understand also. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe. I hope you will subscribe in future, new future. So okay, thank you all.